In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Euro futures as they're moving higher today. Euro futures regaining some upside momentum after a couple days of selling pressure. We're seeing them trading higher today, up about 1/3% at the 1.174 level. So we are coming off of better than 1 month high 3 sessions ago, and then gave up some ground over the last 2 sessions. But now, as we continue to see higher price action today, holding on to the top end of the recent range. Driving factors today, couple things here. ECB rate decision early in the session, as expected, holding rates steady, indicating they're going to be pragmatic about potential for rate cuts in the future. And that was widely expected, and so the market got what it had anticipated, and that was one of the stabilizers, I think, why the euro continued to hold on to some strength. Couple that with CPI release here in the US, pretty much in line with expectations, but on the heels of that lower than expected PPI data, the overriding sentiment is that inflation might be a little bit lower than what was anticipated, and again, compel the Fed to be a little more aggressive, and therefore we're seeing the dollar under pressure. So those are the dynamics here, I think, that's leading to higher price action pretty much across the board in the FX quadrant. Now looking at the euro, as we regain some footing here, we are trading back up towards the top of the 1 month range. And I want to point out one thing when you look at the overall FX quadrant today. They're higher price action pretty much across the board, but if the Australian dollar continues now to break out relative to other major FX futures markets, Australian dollar having a very strong day today, trading at the highest level since November of last year. So continuing to realize relative strength, trading at a level here that has not attained in almost 10 months, where most of the other major FX futures markets are trading at the top end of the 1 to 2 month range. So the Australian dollar is showing significant relative strength today, but the euro regaining some footing and trading back up towards that 1 month high.